Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest updates on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Buckle up, because Samsung is making some bold moves this year. Rocket. Chart decreasing, no more traditional S Pen? Leaks suggest that Samsung might ditch the traditional S Pen digitizer to save space in the new Galaxy Z Fold 7. Instead, we might get a new S Pen design that works like the Apple Pencil, sending signals in an electrical field. This could potentially reduce the thickness of the Z Fold 7 by around 0.6 mm, bringing it to under 10 mm when folded. Straight ruler sparkles. Television bigger and thinner display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a larger 8-inch internal display and a 6.5-inch outer panel. This means more room for multitasking and a more comfortable external display experience. Imagine all the possibilities. Mobile phone briefcase. Chart increasing foldable market advancements. The foldable market is evolving rapidly. For instance, the new Oppo Find N5 comes in at just 8.93 mm when folded. Samsung aims to keep up by making the Z Fold 7 even thinner. Thin as in. Glowing star. Artist palette innovative design changes. Samsung plans to make significant changes to the Z Fold 7, including achieving an under 10 mm design. This would make it one of the sleekest foldables on the market. Get ready for a futuristic, slim profile. Glowing star sparkles. Hammer and wrench tech specs and features. Expected to launch in 2025, the Z Fold 7 will likely come with new S Pen technology and a thinner design overall. While we don't have pricing details yet, we can expect a slight price increase due to the advanced S Pen with AES technology. Chart decreasing. Battery and performance upgrades. Rumors indicate that the Z Fold 7 will come with substantial battery and performance enhancements. This could make it a top contender in the foldable phone market. High voltage battery. Loudspeaker. Samsung's strategy. Samsung's foldable sales have been on a downward trend, partly due to the lack of significant upgrades in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. With competitors launching slimmer and more impressive foldables, Samsung needs to up its game. Will the Z Fold 7 be the game changer? Only time will tell. Hourglass not done. Chart increasing. Magnifying glass tilted left. Display specifications. A new leak reveals that Samsung will use an 8-inch folding display on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and omit the digitizer for a slimmer profile. This change could help Samsung shave off 0.6 mm in thickness, getting the Z Fold 7 to under 10 mm when folded. The Z Fold 7 will also likely sport the same M13 OLED panel as the Galaxy Z Fold 6, S24 Ultra, and S25 Ultra, meaning the display quality will be top-notch. Television sparkles. Calendar release timeline. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch sometime in 2025 with all these exciting updates and more. Stay tuned for the official announcement and pricing details. Tear off calendar. Spiral calendar. Speak balloon. Final thoughts. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be a game-changer in the foldable phone market. With potential improvements in design, display, and technology, it promises to be an exciting release. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news. Mobile phone with Arrow Bell.